we have been in Canada and in America.
Mm-hmm.
It was successful to did you do a lot of things there?
I think so, because it was for you to judge, not for me. All I can say is that there were many conversions with the grace of Allah. And also in Canada in particular, I was happy to see a group of Arabs coming from a different city which was about 150 or 200 miles away, and they came with such enthusiasm because previously they were introduced to Ahmadiyya by Mustafa Sabit Sahib, who used to visit the township and used to sit with them in question and answer sessions like I do. So when they heard of my coming, they all decided to come, and they attended the question and answer session in large number, children and women, men, all together. And it was a very interesting question and answer session, in fact. At the end they complained that the time was so little, they wanted to say some more, but the response was very good. Very decent people they were. So I hope inshallah we'll have a full block of Arab Ahmadis very soon from that area. And the response of the other Arabs in America and elsewhere, and in America and Canada both, was generally very excellent. None returned dissatisfied or unhappy with what he saw of Ahmadiyya. In fact, they openly started saying that this is the true Islam in action. It's good, alhamdulillah.